In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Circle.so website. This process is pretty straightforward whether you're setting up a community space for the first time or you're simply looking to enhance your existing setup. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. Head over to the login page with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. Look around a bit if you're new to this platform, but our next step is crucial for creating your new online community. You'll want to click on the button that says Create a Community. This action will prompt you to input essential details, such as the community name, the URL your visitors will use to find you, and your community's logo. Once you're satisfied with what you've entered, click Create Community to bring your community to life. Next, take a look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll spot an option labeled Spaces. Click on it, and you will then see another button that says Create Space. Go ahead and click on that. Now picture a space as a room in your community where various activities or discussions take place. You'll need to choose what type of space you'd like, be it posts, a course, a video library, a chat room, or something else entirely. Once you've made your selection, simply enter a catchy space name before hitting Create. On to some customization. Click Settings and navigate to Branding. This is your chance to upload your logo and favicon, and of course don't forget to set your brand colors. This personalization helps maintain consistency and makes your community recognizable at a glance. After adjusting these, remember to save your changes. If you're feeling a bit tech savvy, navigate back to Settings and then to Custom Code. Here, you have the option to paste tracking scripts, incorporate Google Tag Manager, or add any custom CSS you might want. This step is optional but can be quite powerful for monitoring or customizing your site further. Once again, make sure you hit save after making any changes. With the basics in place, it's time to populate your community with members. Click on Members, then Invite Members. You can either enter email addresses manually or copy an invite link to share. Press Send to get them on board. Looking to monetize? Head to Payments, then click on Plans. Creating a plan allows you to set a name, price, and access level for paid memberships. This feature is optional, but invaluable if you want to offer exclusive content. Now let's generate some content. Head over to a specific space and create a post by adding text, videos, or PDFs. Once you're happy with it, click Post. And if you've got a big event up your sleeve, hosting it on your